Okay, it's Sunday and I haven't even vlogged anything. I just got back from Woolworths. I did a food shop because my parents are on holidays and I need to try and survive. So I got some food here. I got some salad and some fruit and some cucumber, watermelon and carrots, bananas. I got some chicken to cook the strips but then cut them up and I can put them in sushi, chips, dog ice cream for Maya. We got these are some vegetables, ravioli, pasta sauce and chips and dip and deodorant and some the seaweed stuff for the sushi. And yeah, got some goods. I'm hoping, well, Daniel is out for a bit, so I'm hoping to cook my lunches for work and stuff now and do heaps of chores. And then I want to go and hopefully buy a camera. I've needed a camera for quite a while because this camera is pretty bad. But I'm a bit scared to buy it because it's quite expensive. But we'll see. I might as well get it now because I want to feel like I've accomplished something today. I don't want to let the weekend go by and feel like I didn't really do anything. So we'll see. Actually, I just looked up the place. The place that I know definitely sells it is closed today. It's in Leederville. I'm sure other places will sell it though, so I'll have a look around on the internet, so we'll see. Okay, I have looked everywhere for this camera. There's only a few places that sell it. Everywhere else is sold out, or they have to wait for enough people to want it to make it worthwhile ordering it to come here. There is one place that I know that does have it, but I can't even call them to double check because they're not open on Sundays, only weekdays, and then a little bit on Saturday. So yeah, I really wanted to get that done today just to feel yay, I got something done. Oh well. Maybe I'll have a look around on the next weekend on Saturday. Yeah, I just really want it. This camera, the zoom button sticks. When I turn it on, the lens struggles to even come out of the camera. Yeah, it's dying, but I've had it for quite a long time, so I mean, it's lasted this long. And with me, not really taking care of it, throwing it around, just chucking it in my handbag without anything, and the touchscreen occasionally doesn't want to work. But I mean, I can deal for now. I just want it for when I go on holidays, and I want the vlogs to be good and pretty, and yes, anyway. I have some Halloween decorations and I'm so proud, they're so cute. This is my bed head and it says Happy Halloween of this little witch and that little mummy guy, and have these pumpkin lights which I think are so cool. Get back up there. And then, sorry it's a mess, I'm changing my sheets. And I have this and there's little flowers, there's little spiders in this web. I struggled to thin some of the areas out, but I mean, it looks okay. It looks cool. I wish I had more spiders though, so it would be more like a nest. But yes, I'm getting into decorating this year. I'm just cooking some ravioli. I'm done. I've called 5 camera places and they all sold out, so I'm done looking for now because I don't want to raise my hopes too high. I don't really know what we're going to do today. It's quite a nice day. I want to do something outside, at least something, even if it's just go for a walk. So Daniel will be free a bit later and we might do that, and I think we're just going to chill at his, so we'll see what we get up to. Anyway, I don't know. It's good to just have a lazy weekend, I guess. Last night, well, on Friday, we went to Rockingham and just went for a walk around Point Parent, just catching Pokemon and that. Yesterday, Daniel had his gridiron game, the first game of the season, and they won, which is good. And I went shopping and I bought some things. Actually, I can show you what I got. And yeah, Nikki and I went to Joondalup shopping centre. What else happened? Oh, Daniel had his soccer awards night. So we went to that, me and Ebony and Sean, Carl and Daniel. Yeah, but then after that we just went home. It kind of went till a bit late. So we didn't really do anything after. We just came home. And yeah, so these are the things I got. I just got this bag and has like a little tassel. I just got it because I need like a bag that I can take to festivals, or like I won't worry about it, I don't know, getting ruined, because I have a nicer bag, but I want to keep that one good. But it looks like it would be open here, but it is not. It opens here through this buckle, so it's actually huge. And there's some pockets inside there, but it just looks like it would be open here, but it's not. And I got these shorts, and I think they're so cool, and they have like a little tassel on the end. And yeah, I just think they'll look cool for spring. But yeah, I got them both from H&M. So puffed, my arm is really tired from holding this. I have so much stuff to do, like so much chores. I'm trying to cook meals for the week and like freeze them. And I need to clean my room, do my sheets and all my laundry and clean the dishes. But hopefully I can get that done soon. Ravioli is cooked. I have to put the washing out. I'll see Daniel soon. We're gonna walk Maya and I'm gonna make her eat some of that ice cream. And we are gonna play video games, and I don't really know. We're not having dinner together, so the ravioli I cooked I can have for dinner, so that saves more time. Time saving. I love time saving. We're taking Maya for a walk, and then when she's good, we give her a little treat. Haha, joking. Maya, you're walking yourself? yesterday I did not finish my vlog. I also didn't do that much on the weekend, so now I'm gonna make sushi so you can see me do that, and then maybe I'll call it an end of a vlog there. Alrighty, let's start the sushi process. I got rice, need the sushi, the rice cookers in here. What else? I got cucumber and chicken, and hopefully this all turns out good. Okay, my little sushis don't look that good, but I mean, what are you gonna do? I'm just an amateur, so what did you expect? Anyhow, I think I'm gonna eat my sushi, run a bath. I don't know, just have a relaxing night. I have a bit of a headache, so just gonna get cozy. I hope you enjoyed this vlog.